Vlog. We're on Mam Tor.
Currently on top of Mam Tor.
Snowing.
In the Peak District. Got a lovely cloud inversion. Temperature -4. Feels like -10.
It's bloody freezing. No, I'm dripping. Smile, Lottie, you're on the vlog. Smile.
Stop anywhere this morning.
Oh, I'm just filming.
No,
we can film yet?
and then we've got to go back.
No, we can flip it round.
Go to snack.
What, did you get much on that?
Yeah. Some mad suggestions. What is it, a picture?
No, it's a video.
Ah.
What a lovely day.
Remember that school or that Linda? When it used to
Count me in.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I didn't hear you.
What do you mean?
You got to count me in.
I just did, didn't I? Didn't I say 3, 2, 1?
Yeah.
Go on then, 3, 2, 1. It's too late now, it's the end.
Yeah, because you got to... No! Don't press X. Oh, we're having a little couple's tea.
Yeah.
Count me in.
Go on then. 3, 2, 1.
behind the scenes.
I'm not.
It's on the way down now.
On the way down the hill. Right on the arse. Back to the vlog.
Peace.
Coming up to the end of the walk now.